In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make $350 a day passively from home using Amazon in 2025. All you have to do is to choose one or two or even try all of this method if you have the time. If you've been looking for a reliable way to generate passive income without needing tons of experience or technical skills, then this is the right video for you. Stick around until the very end because I am going to share my personal favorite method that earned me $10,000 in the first 3 months I started it, and 2 bonuses most people are not talking about. Now, before we get into the methods, let's quickly talk about why Amazon is perfect platform for passive income in 2025. Amazon is a giant in the e-commerce world. They have a massive customer base and they make it super easy for entrepreneurs like you to plug into their system. Whether you are selling physical products, digital products, or leveraging affiliate marketing, Amazon gives you the infrastructure you need to earn passively. With Amazon's dominance in the market, the opportunities to make money have never been greater. They do the heavy lifting, fulfillment, customer service, shipping, so you can focus on what matters most, setting up your business and letting it run with minimal input from you. By the end of this video, you will learn 3 proven methods that allow you to tap into Amazon's power and start earning $350 a day or even more without needing a huge upfront investment. And spoiler alert, the last method is my favorite because it's truly hands-off once you've set it up. Let's kick things off with a method that is both simple and effective: Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associate, is one of the easiest ways to start making money on Amazon without the need to own any physical products or inventory. All you need to do is promote Amazon's existing products using affiliate links, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Sign up for an Amazon Associate account. Go to Amazon Associates, click on the sign up button and enter your Amazon account details, or create a new Amazon account if you don't already have one. Fill in your profile information, including your website or social media account where you plan. It's totally free and takes just a few minutes. Once you've signed up, you will get a unique affiliate link for every product on Amazon. All you need to do is to share those links, and if someone buys a product through your link, you will earn a commission. It's important to choose a niche that you are either passionate about or that has a lot of demand, whether it's tech gadgets, home appliances, or even fitness gears. Focus on products that people are already buying. One thing I always recommend is to look at Amazon's bestseller list. It's a goldmine of products that are flying off the shelf. Once approved, you can log in and start searching for products you want to promote. Go to Amazon's homepage and use the Amazon Associates site stripe tool, which allow you to generate your unique affiliate links directly from any Amazon product page. Now, here's the part where you can really leverage passive income. Create content around the products you're promoting, whether that's through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. For example, you could take a YouTube video reviewing the top 10 kitchen gadgets of 2025. Include your affiliate links in the description and boom. Each time someone clicks and buys, you're earning money. With Amazon Affiliate Marketing, you can make anywhere from 1% to 20% per sale depending on the product category, and trust me, these commissions add up quickly. Let's say you're promoting high-ticket items like $1,000 laptop and you earn a 5% commission. That's a $50 per sale. If you make 7 sales a day, you've just earned your $350. Take 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, who runs the blog Making Sense of Sense. She consistently earns $50,000 a month from affiliate marketing, mostly from Amazon products. All it took was consistent content creation and smart promotion. But hey, affiliate marketing is just the beginning. What if you want something more hands-on, where you don't even have to promote products yourself? Stick with me because the next method is even easier and can scale your income faster. Alright, let's talk about Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. If you want to sell physical products on Amazon, but you don't want to deal with packaging, shipping, or customer service, then this is the perfect option for you. Create an Amazon seller account. Go to Amazon Seller Central and sign up for an individual or professional seller account. Fill in your tax information, payment details, and create your store name. Use tools like 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜 and JungleScout to find trending products with high demand and low competition. You can source products from suppliers on Alibaba, AliExpress, or from your local wholesalers. Once you've purchased your inventory, create a shipping plan in your Amazon Seller Central dashboard and send the product to Amazon's fulfillment center. Amazon will store your products and ship them to customers once they are sold. Creating a killer Amazon listing is key. This means optimizing your product title, writing compelling product descriptions, and using high quality images. The more professional your listing looks, the better it will perform in search results, which means more sales. You can promote your listings through Amazon's PPC ads for increased visibility. With Amazon FBA, it's not uncommon for sellers to earn up to $10,000 or more per month. But let's break it down. If you're selling a product with $20 profit margin, you only need to sell 18 units a day to hit that $350 per day goal. The best part is that once your listing gains traction, it can run on autopilot. Take Tiana James. She started her Amazon FBA business with just $5,000 and scaled it to over $1 million in revenue within 2 years. One of the most inspiring stories I've come across is of a couple who started FBA business selling kitchen gadgets. Within 6 months, they were making over $30,000 a month in revenue, and they didn't even have a prior e-commerce experience. It's truly possible if you're willing to put in the work up front. Now, before we get into my 2 bonuses, the next method is great for creatives, and you'll be able to make more than $350 per day if you're good with designs. This method, by the way, requires almost no upfront costs. Amazon Merch on Demand is the perfect business model for creatives, whether you are a designer or just someone with a fun idea for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or other merchandise. Merch on Demand makes it easy for you to get started without holding any inventory. Head over to Merch by Amazon and sign up. Fill out your tax payment details. You will need to wait for approval before you can start uploading designs. This can take a few weeks. If you're a creative, you can use free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create designs. You don't need to be an expert. There are templates you can use. If design isn't your thing, consider hiring a freelance designer on Fiverr for as little as $5 per design. Once your account is approved, you can upload your design to the Merch platform. Select the product type, t-shirts, hoodies, and what have you, and set your price. Amazon takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn royalties based on your product sales. Royalties can range from $3 to $10 per sale. Designers who upload multiple designs, especially around trending topics or holidays, can easily make $350 a day. During peak times, some sellers earn upward of $15,000 a month. RJ Martins, a successful Amazon Merch seller, shared that he earned over $100,000 in a single year just by uploading trending t-shirt designs. We're not done yet. Before we get to my 2 bonuses, this particular method is my personal favorite because it has earned me more than $10,000 since I started 3 months ago. I and anyone can do this one. Let's talk about my favorite, Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is an amazing opportunity for anyone who loves to write or has passion for sharing knowledge. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, how-to guides, or children's book, KDP lets you self-publish your ebooks and paperbacks, and Amazon takes care of the printing and distribution. So to do it, create an Amazon KDP account, head over to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, sign in using Amazon account or create a new one. You will need to fill out tax information and payment details before you can start publishing. If you've already written your book, great. If not, you can use free writing tools like Google Docs to get started. Not a writer? No problem. You don't need to be an expert writer to get started. You can write your own ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about, or you can hire a ghostwriter on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Popular topics include self-help, business, fitness, or even children's books. Use Amazon's free tool, Kindle Create, to format your manuscript for both ebook and paperback versions. Ensure the layout and design are clean and professional. Then once your book is formatted, you can upload the manuscript and design a book cover. You can design your own cover using Canva, or you can hire a graphic designer from Fiverr. Decide whether to enroll in KDP Select to get access to Kindle Unlimited, which lets you earn more royalties. Set the price of your ebook or paperback and choose between 35% to 70% royalties depending on pricing. Share your book on social media, run Amazon ads, or collaborate with influencers who can help spread the word about your book. An average KDP author can earn between $100 to $50,000 a month. Best-selling authors or those with multiple books can earn upward of $15,000 a month. This becomes passive income after the initial effort of writing and uploading the book. Amanda Hawking became a millionaire self-publishing her paranormal romance novel on KDP, earning $2 million in less than 2 years. So here are the 2 bonus methods that are growing in popularity that not a lot of people are talking about, and these methods will make you a lot of money in 2025. Now let's talk about a growing opportunity in 2025, Amazon influencers. If you're active on social media, this is a great way to monetize your influence by recommending Amazon products. Head over to Amazon Influencer Program and apply using your social media accounts. You will need a decent follower count and engagement, but you don't need millions of followers. Once approved, you will get a personalized Amazon storefront where you can showcase products you love and recommend. Share your Amazon storefront links on your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms. When people buy through your store, you can earn commissions just like Amazon Associates, but with the added advantage of a curated store. Influencers with a decent following can easily make $350 a day in commissions. Top influencers make $15,000 or more monthly depending on the volume of traffic and sales they generate. Influencers like Justina Ezaric has made a significant portion of her income by recommending tech and lifestyle products through Amazon. Now this last bonus is perfect for you if you want to sell on Amazon but you just don't like buying from overseas, or you just want to see what you're buying before it's selling. Lastly, let's talk about Amazon arbitrage. This involves buying discounted products from your local stores or online, then reselling them for a profit on Amazon. Visit stores like Walmart, Target, or search online clearance sales or clearance deals. Look for discounted items that you can resell at a higher price on Amazon. Use an Amazon seller app like Spotify to check if the product is profitable by scanning the barcode. If the margins are good, buy the item and list them on Amazon. As customers buy your items, Amazon handles shipping through FBA and you keep the profit margin after fees. With dedication, sellers can make $100 to $350 a day using retail arbitrage. Top sellers who scale up their operations can make 6 figures annually. Now, to make these methods even easier for you to make that $350 per day, watch these 2 of my videos that I'm going to place here to be able to stand out among a lot of people doing it, to make you 100 times better than other people trying this method. The video is how to dominate social media with marketing and branding secrets, and from ideas to income, accelerate your online business in 7 steps. And also don't forget to download my free ebook where I share more passive income ideas. The link is in the description below. I will see you in the next video.